Okay, my peeps, let's make some heart-shaped candy box Valentine cookies with chocolates in it. So I'm just rolling out some cookie dough in a heart shape. I got this cookie cutter from Walmart. It comes in a set, and this is like the largest size cookie cutter. I think they were like 97 cents, and it comes with like 4 or 5 cookie cutters. So I'm using that as my base, the cookie dough clay. And then I got this small waffle mat. I actually got it from Temu, and I'm going to put my red clay on top and roll it out between my 2 sticks because I want it to be like a good thickness. And now you're going to flip it over and always peel it off. Don't pull on the clay, pull on the mat so you won't stretch out your clay. And then I'm going to cut out another heart shape, and that's going to go on top of my cookie dough, okay? And then, now make sure you line it up good. I try to line it up good, but once it's wet on wet clay, it's impossible to take it apart. So try to be, as good at putting the pieces together. So now I got some white clay that I'm going to put in this frosting type silicone mold. I got this silicone mold from Temu as well, and I'm going to put that around the edges of my heart. Okay, now make sure you press it down really good and get it into those crevices and stretch the corners out so that the clay comes out easy. Okay, so I'm going to start at the point at the bottom, and I'm going to bring it around the edge, and it fit perfectly with this cookie cutter, that one piece. So now I'm going to just make another piece and put it on the other side. Now when you use a mold like this, you might want to use some, get a little paintbrush and rub in some I like using baby oil, just a little tiny, you don't need a lot, just enough so that your clay comes out easy, because if not, it's going to get stuck in that mold and it's not going to look good. So then I'm just going to wrap that around the other edge. Make sure that those 2 points meet, because if they don't, once it starts drying, it separates, okay? And we don't want that, because then it's going to look like it's cracked. So now I just got a bunch of these chocolate cabochons that I got from Play Cool 3. I don't know if I got those from Play Cool 3. But anyway, you can get them from Play Cool 3 or even on Amazon. And now I'm just going to lay them down and see how I kind of want them to look on that heart. Yeah, kind of thinking that's a good way to lay them out. So now I'm just getting some tacky glue, and I'm just going to put that on the back and just press that down into my heart cookie. And now you could put any kind of candy you want. It doesn't have to be chocolate, but that's what I had. So that's what I'm going to use, and I actually need to get some more chocolate because I used it all up. So I basically just used what I had to do these cookies. And that's what you do. You use what you have, okay? And then that's going to be it. And that's going to be my cookie, my heart, my Valentine heart box of chocolate cookies. Ooh, that was a mouthful. But anyway, if you like this, I hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.